P90 Explorer here, trying something a little different. So, if you've been following, hopefully you will, you were, no videos yesterday at my weigh-in. That's because I've had this cold that turned into bronchitis and it's been lingering on for 3 weeks now, man. 3 weeks. So guess where I'm on my way now? To my doctor. And I'll be like, yo, I'm infected. Give me some antibiotics, please. Because it's at a point that even when I walk, I feel it. Can't lift weights anymore. If I eat, I choke very easily. Just short of breath. Even talking now, I have to sort of catch my breath, which is not normal for me because usually I have no issues with that. So that's where I'm going now. Thought I'd show you guys some of the scenery here. But it's been good. It's been a good week. Otherwise than that, took a few walks, but nothing too long, nothing too crazy. Diet-wise, it's been pretty good. Pretty good, I'd say. Didn't really cheat. Barely had any sweets. Keeping with the plan. But at the beginning, consistency is key, man. You got to be consistent because it takes 20. You guys know about the 21-day rule? It takes 21 days to get into a habit. It really does. And after 90 days, it should become almost automatic, right? But we're far from that. Actually, 90 days is going to probably bring us close to. Well, it's going to be over. The holidays are going to be over then. So that's that. Apart from that, it's going to be a short one today because I just wanted to update you guys, and I'm going to come back with an update. See if I got tell you guys if I got my antibiotic, right? I mean, that'd be cool. I definitely want to feel better here. And probably rest for the rest of the day. Probably go in the spa, hang out with the family. That's what I need for this session, and catch you guys soon. P90 Explorer here with a much needed update. It's been a while since we did one of these. As you saw earlier in the video, this post-cold cough. I was like, dude, could you go away? So I went to see my doctor last Saturday. And today we're the week after, right? It's still there. I'm still coughing, man. He says that it wasn't an infection, but he still gave me this puffer thing that I've been taking for a week. I still have about a week's left dose in it. Hopefully, I'll be cured. So, as a result of that, I've not been lifting weights. Because as soon as I move too much, I start coughing. So we didn't want that, right? So even the diet has not been the best. My mindset kind of shifted, It's a little discouraging having this stupid cough. So whatever. I'm slowly starting to feel better, I think. So I'm hoping to get back to weights like within the next week, maybe start very slowly. The error that I did the last time is I was lifting weights and then I was pacing, lifting weights and pacing. Well, that just no. If I'm going to lift weights, I need to sit down, catch my breath, and then move on to the next set. I think that's what I'm going to do. Hopefully you guys are doing good. Been going for walks, did a few of those. Whenever I need to go to the office, because we need to go once a week, then I do a lot of walks. I mean, I do a lot of steps. I usually have well over 10,000 steps on a day that I go to work, which is not a bad thing. But it's just a little hard on sometimes I'm trying to catch my breath, right? So Polar, what's going on with the fall meltdown? Well, it's still there. I did not weigh myself because I know that it probably wouldn't be the best result. But I know that it's this cough, man. I know it's probably an excuse, but trust me, it's not. This cough has just been, it's been bugging me. So I just want to get rid of it. so that I could, you know, be more in, because when I work out is usually when I tend to eat better, right? If I'm not working out, lifting, sometimes my mind's like, whatever, I'll eat at night. So yeah, hasn't been that bad, but it could definitely be better. I mean, I'm probably doing what, 50% healthy, 50% junk food, or 50% bad foods, I'd say, which is definitely not enough. You need to almost do like the 90-10 rule, right? Eat 90% clean enough, and 10% could be like refined sugar and crap, right? Something like that. Apart from that, not a whole lot, really. Been enjoying the spa as usual. It's definitely fall, and that's really cool. I mean, I just love it. Actually, this afternoon, what I'm going to do, and that's going to be my workout for the day, is I'm going to be going outside and raking the leaves. I think that's what we're going to do, or that's what I'm going to do. And then I need to maybe cut the grass for one last time, so sure, I'm going to do that. Looking forward to tonight, watching the hockey game tonight. That's going to be cool, relax. It's a 3-day weekend. Oh, I didn't mention this. It's Canadian Thanksgiving, which is really cool. It's irrelevant. This is a cool candle. It smells really good. Autumn, man. Fall. One of my favorite seasons. I don't know about you guys, but in Canada, it's nice, man. It's really, really cool. The smell of fall. It looks super nice outside. I mean, it's just really cool. Let me show you guys, actually. I mean, that's the view from my house. Look at this. Halloween decorations here. A beautiful view. Beautiful view. I'll show you outside. Spooky. But beautiful. The sun. Wow. Trying to peek. Very cool. I'm going to sign off. Thanks for checking out this video, guys. And we'll see you next time. Fuller signing out.